Hello everyone, I'm Bonita. I'm one of the OET staffs working at Triada International Academy, Mangalore. So today I'm here to explain you about listening and a few frequently asked questions about listening and reading. Okay. So what is there in OET listening? See, OET listening consists of three parts. That's part A, part B and part C. So in part A, we have two extracts which are usually consultation extract. It is a conversation between a doctor and a patient usually. So each extract consists of 12 questions each, where you will have to answer them in the spaces provided then and there. In part A, usually the answers are what the patient says, but for that you need to listen to what the healthcare professional says also, because those will be the questions asked. Okay, before the extract starts or before the audio is played, before each extract in part A, that is extract 1 and extract 2, you have 30 seconds to read the questions. During this 30 seconds, you might not have time to read the whole extract as such. So just go through the blanks to make sure like where you have to listen exactly. Just go through the blanks provided, which will be the answer. So moving on to part B. Part B is extracts where about short work phrase extract, where it will be a conversation between two healthcare professionals. Here you might get two different accents. Like in part A, it will be only one accent, that is Australian English, but in part B you can get two different accents. So part B consists of six different questions, which before each question they give you time to read the questions, and only one small audio will be played for you to answer that question. So part C. See, part C has two different extracts. See, before each extract they give you 90 seconds to read the questions. During this 90 seconds, make sure that you read all the questions first. There are 6 questions each under each extract. That is 2 extract, there are 6 questions each, so that it will be 12 questions. So first read all the questions in 90 seconds. So only once when you know what are the questions, then only you will be able to listen to what the healthcare professional is talking about. See, these extracts are usually presentations, or maybe presentation of a case notes or a research, which will be explained by a single person. That will be a monologue. Okay, this is all about listening, and coming on to the frequently asked questions about listening, or students usually ask these questions. Do I have time to check my answers? Yes, you do have time to check your answers, but at the end of part A, B and C. After all the three parts are completed, then they give you 2 minutes time to check your answers, where you don't it might not be possible to change your answers where you have which you have answered in part B and C, because the audio you might not remember. So usually part A, sometimes if you have missed something or if the spellings are not correct, if you feel, you can just go back there and check, there are possibilities where you can change your answers, and you can even write things which you have left in part A. So during this time, make sure that you have answered all the questions in part A and part B, C also. Because you don't have negative marking, part B and C, make sure that you attend all the questions. So the next one was do I need to write down exactly what I hear? Yes, you need to write down exactly what you hear. Do not paraphrase or do not use synonyms in your listening. Write exactly what you listen to. Okay. They also ask, can I use abbreviations? You can use abbreviations. Abbreviations can be used in listening unless they are universally accepted and are standard abbreviations. So be careful that you use only standard abbreviations which are universally accepted. Okay. Will I lose marks for misspelling words? Not exactly. If the pronunciation is correct, or if the answer is something near to your answer, which exactly is, then you might not lose your marks. Okay, how many questions do I need to get right? So you need to get right 30 questions out of 42. That will be a score of 350 out of 500 to get a score of B grade. So this is all about listening. So for more information, you can contact Riyada International Academy, Mangalore.